welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry for the background noises, but by the title we are making a DIY joystick. So what you'll be needing is a piece of cardboard, one rubber band, a lid cap, a push pin, and some tape. So what you'll be doing, guys, is you're going to be also some scissors. So yeah, what you want to do is you want to grab your cardboard piece and your scissors and just do it like that. Just like push in there. There you go, like that. It's like just push in there, make a little slit like this. And then what you want to do, you want to cut your rubber band like that. I don't know if you saw that, but yeah. And then you want to grab your push pin and you want to make a hole into here. 2 holes. So yeah. Sorry about the background noises. My sister is watching Boss Baby, and my other sister's calling someone out, her husband. But yeah. So it's really easy to do it with a push pin because it just made a hole.
That's an inch. Yeah. But it's not half an inch, so we need to do half of that, right?
Yeah, you can go half that. Okay. So you're just going to spin it like this. So you can make a big hole. But while you do it, make sure you have your fingers, that you don't cut yourself or hurt yourself. That is really satisfying. Okay. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I'm just making a bigger hole for the sorry guys, but yeah. So I'm just trying to make it a bigger hole. And my mom just got hurt. Okay. Okay, so next, I'm just going to try to poke my hole in there. There we go. Oh, gosh, don't do that. Okay, but we'll try. Okay, so now that you grab that, now you want to poke in your never mind. You're supposed to poke it through here in your hole. Right? Okay. So yeah, so just doing it like this, and you push it in there. Oh yeah. Okay, so yeah, just do that, and it would be easier. There you go. See, guys? Easy peasy. Now you have your DIY joystick almost ready. And then you just poke it through, and you grab the other one, and you also wanna, oh, okay. Okay, so yeah, there and then, okay, so this one, I'm gonna do this for. Okay, so Okay, there you go. Okay. So now I'm sorry if this is a long video. You can skip through this because, yeah. So you just want to put them through the holes. Nope. Okay. So now here you have your DIY joystick. Now you want to just tie it together. You either want to tie it or tape it. And I'm going to tape it down. So yeah. And I'm going to do double-sided tape. I don't know why. It's just the easiest way for me. Never mind. Okay, so I'm grabbing some tape from my tape dispenser, and I'm just gonna put it down so it doesn't fall. Get off. Oh. And we are going to just tape that down like this. Just we need some more tape. I'm running out of tape, guys, so yeah. Okay. And there's your DIY joystick, guys. So I hope this helped you if you want to make a DIY joystick, and it's really fun to play with afterwards because you can just have it in your hand and do that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed and have a nice day. Bye.